1991, a monumental shift occurred as apartheid, a brutal system of racial segregation in South Africa, finally came to an end. The Day of Reconciliation was introduced to heal the deep wounds left by decades of injustice and to foster unity in a divided nation. To truly honor this day, we must educate ourselves about colonialism and its lingering effects on generations. Dive into South African history, exploring the rich tapestry of stories and struggles that shaped the nation. Nelson Mandela's incredible journey from prisoner to president is a testament to resilience and the power of reconciliation. Discover the inspiring stories of other great South Africans who have made significant contributions to their country. The Day of Reconciliation, established in 1995, was purposefully chosen to resonate with both African and Afrikaner cultures. This day is not just a South African observance, it is a global call to build bridges and heal ethnic divides. Reflect on the historical significance of this day, from the Battle of Blood River to the protests against racial discrimination. Each year, the Day of Reconciliation carries a unique theme, guiding us on how to honor and celebrate this pivotal day.